Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar CAD, I still think this is a wave A right here. I think we're in an A, B, C of wave B right now, which I think needs to go down, take out the low wave 4 before we get another significant push to the upside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that it's very clear this is 5 waves down right here. Then I think it's very clear that this is 1, 2, 3 waves up. Yeah, it did take out the previous high, but that definitely does happen quite often in wave Bs. I just call them irregular wave Bs. And I believe now that we are in a downtrend, which I believe on this monthly time frame will continue to make 5 waves down, probably making lower lows, lower highs, at least down to the low of wave 4 and probably a little bit beyond. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since we broke structure to a downside a couple weeks ago, I've definitely been doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend. We are coming into that zone right here where I would expect maybe a wave one of this downtrend to end. But really, with how impulsive this last push down is, I would expect to see a 3, 4, 5 before it actually even ended this wave one, maybe ending up looking something like that. So either way, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have 5 waves down right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. We are at a Fibonacci extension level, so if it does go up, if it does break structure, and you are a short time frame trader trading like the 1 hour and below, then you definitely could at that point start looking for longs. But for me personally, even if this happens, I would definitely still probably look for shorts because I would expect the next move up to be like a wave 4, and then the next move down to be a wave 5. Now, this all depends on whether or not it breaks structure because it could possibly just keep on going down pretty easily. So, going to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, if it goes up and breaks structure, then at that point I would expect to at least see some sort of a 3 wave pullback. And if you are a short time frame trader, then you could definitely try to go long at the end of the wave B. But I think that otherwise, if you're more of a swing trader, then you're probably going to wait for the 3 waves to be over, wait for an ABC correction, wait for an impulsive move down, probably wait for a Fibonacci retracement bounce to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Probably likely a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which is actually just a wave 1 of wave C on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.